Welcome to Marketing Tutorials, the go-to channel for all things marketing. Welcome to Marketing Tutorials, the go-to channel for all things marketing. In today's video, we will learn how to design your own logo using Canva. So let's dive right in. To get started, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. Click on the Create a Design button on the homepage. For this tutorial, let's go with logo. You'll see a selection of pre-designed logo on the left side. Roll through and choose one that catches your eye. You can always customize it later. Now that you've selected a logo, it's time to customize it. You can change the color using the toolbar at the top. To edit text, simply click and type. You can also change the font size and color using the toolbar at the top. You can also add your company slogan. To edit slogan text, simply click and type. You can also change the font size and color of slogan text using the toolbar at the top. The last but not least, you can also change the background color using the toolbar at the top. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download and share it. Click on the Share button in the top right corner, and click on Download. Then choose your preferred file format like JPEG, PNG, or PDF. And again click on Download button. That will automatically save the image into your computer. You can also click on the Share button to send your design directly to social media platforms or via email. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Canva tips and tricks. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest content. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, happy designing.